Yes, guys, so if you want to see how I achieved this delicious plate of food, just keep on watching. And a big thank you to all my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. For those coming on board for the first time, welcome. So here we're jumping straight into the video. I already have my turkey neck seasoned. I forgot that my camera wasn't on recording, but I'm going to link a video of me seasoning turkey neck in another video. And here I have some wing drumstick. I'm going to wash these and season well and put to marinate. We're going to barbecue those in the oven. And I'm just doing a fast season and put these to marinate for at least 30 minutes. I'm in a rush. This is a rush cooking. Yes, Sunday morning and I'm going to church. So I'm seasoning these and I'm going to put these to marinate. My peas is already on the fire, disclaimer. Yes, my round red peas is already on the fire, cooking away. And when it's time to add our coconut milk and season, then you will see that part. So just keep on watching, guys, and I hope you will enjoy this video. And big respect again to my supporters, my true supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for all those lovely comments as always, and always giving me good feedback on this video. So catch you further on in the video, guys. So enjoy the music and watch me cook away. As I said, it's a rush Sunday dinner, but I'm taking you guys along with me. Okay? So just keep on watching, guys. And here's my marinated turkey neck, looking like goat meat, right? Yes, but it's turkey neck. And guys, check the description box for all the ingredients. I'll try to link them in order. For the rice, the turkey neck, and the wings, I'll put those in the description box. So just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. Enjoy the music, guys.
final product, guys. I have my wings, my curry turkey neck, salad and fried plantain with my rice and peas. And this is dinner. Yeah, dinner, guys.
So here we have come to the end of another video, guys. Please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.